Welcome to Hamana Homes. So, we will go now sa mga model units and ito yung sinasabi namin na
one of the main
gates. Ayan.
Look at the road wide. It is 16 meters po yan. 2 papasok and 2 palabas.
Okay.
Dahil may dalawa tayong main gate, times 2 mo yan. So, 8 lahat po.
So, let's begin with our house tour dito sa single attached model unit na pangalan is Nanea. So, wag tayong papalito when it comes to mga model units natin na it's Nanea for the single attached with a minimum of lot area of 90 square meter and usable floor area of 64 square meter, more or less. So, depende pa yan sa specific block and lot na kukunin nyo. Okay? Tara sir, pasukin natin. Wow, very spacious talaga siya, no, sir?
Yes.
Pasok pa lang natin, no?
Compare with our duplex, actually this Nanea, siya lang po yung mayroong tatlong toilet and bath. Yes, one po sa baba and then dalawa sa taas. Isa po nasa master bedroom po. So kaya tatlo po sila.
And I believe, sir, as we enter dito, no, aside sa pagiging spacious niya on the ground floor, I have noticed na high ceiling din kayo,
yes,
no,
po.
sir? Okay. Sir, when it comes sa mga cove light ceiling na ganyan, ganyan na po yung deliverables? O improved version na yan?
Improved version na yan.
Okay.
Pero ang deliverables natin, with ceiling tayo.
Okay.
Kasi mga ibang client natin, ayaw nila yung drop ceiling kasi daw yung mahirap daw linisin.
Okay.
So naka-client na ang gusto niya magiging design.
I see. So this is just an inspiration to them kung paano yung interior na gagawin nila dito sa loob ng bahay nila. Okay. Sige sir, so as we move dito, so ito yung clean kitchen nila, sir.
Yes.
And then pwede nang mag-dining dyan and the living area. And dito sir, dito sa labas pa ng sir, pwede kang mag-expand ba dito, no, sir?
Ang expansion natin is sa side siya.
Sa side,
yes.
Okay.
So, dito, pwede natin siyang, hindi naman expansion ang tawag, bali hatiin mo siya para maging siyang
dirty kitchen,
yes,
laundry area.
Kasi yung laundry area, it's too big for laundry area only.
Okay. And I believe dun sa side niya, we have one carport.
Actually, it's 2.
2
yeah.
for Nanea.
Yes.
Okay.
That's why na pwede ka mag-expand dun sa garage natin na gawin siyang another room.
For Nanea?
Actually,
for all?
Hindi naman. Sa Nanea and Miana plus the townhouse na nasa end unit.
Okay.
Yun.
Na 2 carport na pwede?
Yes po.
Okay. I see.
Mamaya, papakita natin. We have actual expansion po.
Alright, sige sir. Alright. So, punta tayo sa taas, sir. Tignan natin yung sa taas. So, dito sa second floor natin, so, nandito na yung common toilet and bathroom niyo, no, sir? And then, right beside dito is the master's bedroom.
Yes.
Na meron din siyang toilet, own toilet and bathroom.
Yes.
So, ayan, ganda pala dito, no, sir, na pati yung pagka-interior niya, actually, ang ganda.
Dami nga ang client na super like si Nanea.
And also, dito sa master's bedroom, you have the access to your balcony.
Yan. Sige.
Nandito. So, malaki pa din naman siya, no? Pwede kang magkape-kape dito, no, sir? Ayan, during the morning.
Yes.
And lalo na, dito sa project natin, you have the view of the Mount Arayat. The iconic Mount Arayat, especially if you're facing on the morning sun.
Yes,
no, sir? So, let's walk around lang din sa toilet and bathroom niya, sir. This is the toilet and bathroom.
So, may sariling banyo si Nanea.
Yung sa second room niya and right beside the second room is the third bedroom. So this is really perfect for the growing families, no? Para at least yung mga kids, they do have also their own privacy as they grow old.
This is the third room, much more bigger than the second room. So yan, may dalawang kama for 2 kids. Siguro si panganay doon na lang sa isang solo niya, di ba? So it has 2 windows then. Sa kabila po kasi isa lang.
I see. Ayun. So, when it comes dito, sir, fully finished naman na din siya?
Yes po. Ang hindi lang po kasama dyan is the furnitures and pictures.
Okay.
Yan. Yan, naka-tiles tayo dyan. with ceiling, with pin light na rin, paint finish siya. So gamit na lang po.
Yung dadalhin nila
Yes.
ngayon. Alright. So let's move forward to the next model unit natin. Alright, let's go.